Bunk beds, lights down low. Phil's got a story, Phil's got a glow. Black t-shirt, glasses on the tilt, holding that glass like it's all he built. Says, Phil, hey, I'm drunk, grinning wide with a wobble and a wink. One more sip from the bottom bunk. Cheers, boys, hick, I'm drunk. Backpacker snoring on the top floor, red curtains on a hostel door. Mattress thin, but the night is young, and Phil's just getting warm on his tongue. Phil, heck, I'm drunk. Everybody knows the famous clunk. Chair tip back, gonna spill that funk. Sing it loud, hick, I'm drunk. Phil, you legend, you made it home. Far from the road, but you're never alone. One glass to midnight, one to the past. One little hiccup gonna make it last. Phil, I see I'm drunk. Hold my glass while I hold the bunk. One more laugh, one more oops clunk. Phil's still here and yeah, he's drunk.